In this video, I'm going to show you how to use McDonald's gift card on Doordash. To correctly use a McDonald's gift card on Doordash, follow these steps. Ensure your McDonald's gift card has a sufficient balance. You can check the balance on the McDonald's website or by calling the customer service number provided on the card. Make sure you have the latest versions of both the McDonald's and Doordash apps installed on your device. Launch the Doordash application and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one. Enter the delivery address where you want your McDonald's order to be delivered. Locate McDonald's on the Doordash application. You can use the search function or browse through the available restaurants. Select the items you want to order from McDonald's and add them to your Doordash cart. Once you have added all the items you want, proceed to the checkout. In the payment section, look for an option to add a gift card or promo code. Enter the McDonald's gift card information, including the card number and PIN if required. Review your order and complete the checkout process. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.